The world of quantum biology, the intersection of quantum mechanics and biology. The discovery that DNA, with its double helix structure, carries the information of living things, brought a major change to biology. As a result, molecular biology emerged to explain life at the level of atoms and molecules. More recently, life science has joined with artificial intelligence to create the field of bioinformatics. Despite the remarkable progress of life science, the theories and models used to explain life remained at the molecular level. They only explained how molecules and atoms function in living organisms based on classical physics. As a result, biology largely ignored the potential role of quantum mechanics. This was because many believed that quantum effects could not survive in the warm, wet environment where life exists. Then does quantum mechanics really play no role at all in living organisms? Implementing quantum mechanical phenomena in experiments usually requires an extremely stable environment at temperatures close to absolute zero. The body temperature of living organisms rarely falls below freezing. Biologists did not try to study life from the perspective of quantum mechanics. But is it impossible for quantum mechanical phenomena to occur inside living organisms? Surprisingly, however, research suggests that the key features of quantum mechanics may play a role in biological processes. Let us look at a few major quantum mechanical phenomena. Before observation, a particle exists in two or more quantum states at the same time with certain probabilities. This phenomenon is called quantum superposition. A particle can also move through an energy barrier that is higher than its own energy because of its wave-like nature. This phenomenon is called quantum tunneling. Two separate objects can also remain connected regardless of the distance between them, allowing physical changes to occur simultaneously. This phenomenon is called quantum entanglement. Quantum biology studies how these quantum mechanical phenomena occur in living organisms. In fact, attempts to connect biology and quantum mechanics date back to the birth of quantum mechanics itself. Erwin Schrödinger, best known for the Schrödinger equation, already discussed the relationship between quantum mechanics and living organisms in his 1944 book, What is Life? He even tried to explain the cause of mutations through quantum tunneling. Niels Bohr, famous for the Bohr model of the atom, also tried to apply quantum mechanics to biology. Then, how does quantum biology actually appear in living systems? A major reason quantum biology drew attention came from research on the European robin, a migratory bird. The European robin is said to find its way in an unusual manner. It can detect the direction and strength of Earth's magnetic field as if it carries a magnet inside its body. It does not look around and use landmarks to decide its direction as humans do. Nor does it navigate by following the stars in the night sky like other migratory birds. In a sense, the European robin carries a biochemical compass inside its body. Then, in 2004, researchers discovered that the bird's sense of direction follows a quantum mechanical mechanism. This discovery sparked a surge of interest in quantum biology. Although smell is a very familiar phenomenon, there is still much to learn about how we smell. One hypothesis suggests that quantum tunneling plays a role in the mechanism that activates olfactory receptors. In the past, the lock and key hypothesis dominated. It proposed that olfactory receptors identify smells by binding to specific odor molecules. According to this hypothesis, molecules with the same shape produce the same smell. However, this hypothesis could not explain every smell. For example, deuterium, an isotope of hydrogen, has just one more neutron than ordinary hydrogen, but its molecular shape remains the same. According to the lock and key hypothesis, these molecules should produce the same smell, but in reality, they smell different. Quantum biology explains that molecules containing deuterium and the original molecules have different vibrational frequencies. As a result, quantum tunneling causes different olfactory receptors to respond. Photosynthesis is also one of the major research topics in quantum biology. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and other living organisms convert light energy into chemical energy. Yet inside chlorophyll, energy moves with almost no loss. Classical physics simply cannot explain this phenomenon. Even the ordinary process of plants converting sunlight into energy may involve quantum mechanics. Could it be that the photosynthesis of the plants we see every day actually begins in the tiny world of quantum physics,